Dear student, welcome back. In this session, we are going to discuss about if condition. Previous class, we have discussed about how to install the Python software in our computer or in the mobile. And the second, we discussed about strings and variables. Okay, then after that, we discussed about how to use a Boolean function in the Python program, true or false. So then with alpha Boolean function, we discussed about some of the operators, comparison operator, logical operator, and numerical operator. These are operators also we discussed in our previous classes. In this session, I'm going to talk about if condition, how to use if condition in Python program. As you know very well, what is the use of if condition? So when you are going to take any decision, we at the time we will think about the if. Okay, if I will do this job, I will get this benefit. If I will do this job, I will get this advantages. If I do this job, I will get this disadvantages. So whenever you are going to use the condition at the time, then if part will come to the picture. Not only in the Python program, maybe you people have studied in that different programming language like Java program language, C++ program language, and ASP, PHP. If you can take the any programming language, you are going to take the condition, then we need the if condition. We are going to use the if for this make the condition. Now we will go further. So conditions, the if statements evaluate the boolean. So what is, so it will evaluate the expression and it will give the either condition true or false. If the condition is true, okay, the condition it will say, if the condition is true, then some statement will execute. If the condition is false, else now other statement will be executed. Take this example one, and this in this example just I am going to give you only thing. So if, see, if within a parenthesis we are entered the two numbers 10 and 20. So in between 10 and 20 there is a one symbol is there. Maybe you people are recall that our previous session, the words of that is a comparison of, that is called the less than symbol. The comparison operator now we are using. If so 10 less than 20, checking condition, 10 less than 20, we know very well condition is definitely true because 10 is less than 20. So what answer will come? The condition is it will return as true, right? It will give the condition is true because now if true, immediately this statement will be executed. So print 10 is less than 20 will be printed. So you remember the if condition how we used with the previous programming languages, the same logic we are using here. If open parenthesis and the variable one less than or greater than equal to, less than equal to not equal to, whatever relational operator you need to supposed to mention here, and the second variable. Now directly I enter number here, or we can use it for the variable. So the next example I will show. So 10 less than 20, open is close parenthesis. But in this one there is one more a small symbol is added. What is the symbol? That is called the, what is this? Colon symbol. Colon, C-O-L-O-N. There's colon symbol is added. Colon in the sense there are two dots. Okay, there is colon symbol is added. The colon symbol is should be in that end of the if condition. Okay, so this colon symbol we are going to use in this different operations. We will see one by one. So if 10 less than 20, close a parenthesis, immediately you need to put this colon. So once you entered the next line, what will happen? The system is automatically take this space. Okay, automatically take this one tab space. That is usually in the technically how they will say it as, what is the, they will say, they say it as intent. Automatically it will, so why the intent it will come, and now the cursor will blink here for your to type the statement. So if 10 less than 20, close the parenthesis, colon. Now press enter. Automatically the system will go one tab space and you can continue your thing. So this is the if condition. I will show this example, simple example in that our Python program. Then I will go to the next example. See this example. Just I will open the this is a Python program and a file, new file. Now I am typing here if, what is it, 10 less than 20 colon. Now you press enter, see, then immediately automatically, so that Python software, it's so automatic, it will create this. What is the meaning? So that this statement, what the statement we are typing here, it is belongs to the particular if. So now I am printing print 10 is less than 20. Now finish. Now shall we run this program? Before run this program, we need to save this program. Just save the program, go to somewhere and where you want. Now I'm just save this program in the desktop. So if PROG, now I saved. Okay, just run the program. See, program is running. It is showing 10 less than 20. See this output. So 10 less than 20, immediately you will get the 10 less than 20 output. So because 10 is, so what is the, what from here, what you need to understand, if statement, and finally you need to use the colon, and this spaces automatically it will come after the colon. So what does mean? So this print statement belongs to this if condition. Okay, this is what I want to say. So using the program in Python is very easy compared to other programming languages. Okay, now it's very clear. Now I will go to the some examples more. So this is output. Now see the second example. What is the second example? I said we can use the even as a variable for within the if condition. So in this example, see, the age equal to 31 is declared. Now if age greater than equal to 35, what is the age now? This 31 will come here. Now 31 greater than equal to 35 or not, it is checking. If it is greater than thing, first of all, what is this one? 31 greater than equal to 35, condition is false. Condition is false in the sense, what is that? And this statement will not execute. Why it will not execute? Because this is the true statement. If condition is true, this statement will execute. If condition is false, this statement will execute. Shall we see that our program? Shall I type the program? I will directly go to the Python program. I will type the Python. See, Python program, and even the same program I will use, and age equal to 31. Now 31 greater than equal to 35. Okay, now just type the code. What is this one? Your age is more than 31. Okay, just for it is telling, just file, save the program and run the program. See, nothing you will get it. Why the no output is coming? Because if it is condition is greater than 31, sorry, here I need to mention age. Okay, now run the program. So even the run the, you will not get it anything, because age is 31, 31 greater than equal to 35. So condition is false. That's why this statement is not executed. This statement is not printing. Suppose would you like to print this one? What do you need to do? Just for less than 31, and what in your age is less than what? Less than 35. Now save the program, again run the program. Sorry, just run the program. Now you will get the answer. Your age is less than 35. Okay, you understand? Now even variable, see, I'm using the colon, automatically it is coming. Now I'll go to that our PPT. Now, so that example 2 is very clear. Now come to the example 3. In that example 3, now only in this example 1, example 2, without else part we used. Now whenever the if part is there, if condition is there, so there is a one procedure, if else and if else if. That usually what they will say, They will say if else later. Okay, now come to the example 3. Now age equal to 31. Now if age greater than equal to 35, now what is the here, the 31 come here, and 31 greater than equal to 35. Now if it is age is greater than 35, no, this will execute if the condition is true. This is the true condition. If the condition is false, and this statement will execute, and this is the false condition. If the condition is what, if the condition is false, this statement will execute. So what we need to do, and here we added one more thing. What is this one? This is the else part. So if age greater than equal to 35 colon, automatically this space will come, and now you need to, and again you need to go back here. Okay, just you need to move the cursor here, enter else colon. Okay, don't forget, you need to put the colon again. That is the end of the statement. You enter it again, the system automatically it will take the space. Okay, now print age. Now what output you will get, you will get the answer for this one. Your age is less than 35. Okay, now after the what output will come, just see the output. Okay, now this output is coming, and what is the another one more line is coming, this line, because this print statement is belongs to what, the true, and this statement belongs to else part. See here, and this print is started this area. See, these are all, take these are all one line. Okay, what is, these are all one line, so that whatever statement is printed after intent, that is it is belongs to this. Okay, and this print is belongs to this. Okay, what is this print? This print is in the, in that root area, that is called in that main, so that it will print the have a nice day. So this statement also, it is not belongs to else statement, because it is not intended. If you give the intended here, and even though this statement also will come. Okay, you clear? So this is the example 3. I will show the example 3 in the system. So I will open the new one, new file. Just I will type it here, age equal to 31. If age, okay, if age greater than equal to 35 colon, print your age is greater than 35. Right now, as I said, now you need to move to the cursor back again. I'm using the backspace. Now see, cursor is, now it is in the, now else part. Now because else is belongs to if. Okay, not in the print. Now again see, colon I put, again it will come here, print. Now I enter your age is less than 35, close it. Now come here, see, cursor will always, cursor, because it, the system will know what will understand. The next statement is also belongs to that this part, but you need to control your the where you want to print. Again I'm entering the backspace. See, it is the cursor is blinking in the root. Now print have a nice day. Right, just I printed. See, just save the program, save the program, and now I'm using that if prog2. Okay, save it and run the program. And what answer? See that answer you will get, your age is less than 35. Because why? Because age is less than greater than 35. So condition is the, if you come 31 greater than 35, this condition true statement, this will not execute, and the else part is only executing, and finally you will get this answer as well, because it is in the after the there is a this block, there is a after the if statement, not in the within the if statement. Okay, clear? Now, so now I'll go back here. So this is the example 3. Now come to that example 4, and example 4, now just I am increasing the little bit complexity. Right, just please understand, I'm just increase the little bit complexity of your if statement. So see this example, example 4. So example 4, age equal to 10. Now if age is greater than equal to 10, okay, if age is greater than equal to 18, you are eligible to travel alone. Okay, if the condition is true, this statement will execute. Else, and if condition is false, you are not eligible to travel alone, and C, print, you must go with the parent. Now these two statements are belongs to if statement. Okay, you understand? Now, but see here, print is coming here. What is this one? This print is belongs to this line, and this, so these two statements are belongs to if else part, one statement. So what answer you will get? You will get answer like this. What answer you will get? So 10 greater than equal to 80 condition is false. You will get these two statement, along with this, this statement also will come, because this is out of if condition. Okay, when I say it will come. See the, just you try for this example and see the example 5. See this example 5, mark equal to 50. Okay, now just we are going to find either pass or fail. Now mark equal to 50. Okay, if mark greater than equal to 50, okay, now what will come here? 50 will come. The 50 greater, the condition is what? Condition is fail. So condition is false, in the sense this statement will not execute. Now it will go back to the next line. Then when go back to the next line, we are using that one special thing, else if, right? We are using for the else if. In that Python program, how we need to declare the else if, and usually else, usually this is way we will write, okay, else if. But in the Python program, you don't want to write this SC, right? In the short form, you need to write ELIF. This means that else if, open parenthesis. Now again checking the condition, mark less than 60 or not, again put the colon. See, it will print to fail. Okay, if even though this else is also wrong, now we are using the else part. It's showing that it is called the print incomplete. When you run this program, what is the answer you will get? You will get the, because 50 is less than 60, you will get the fail. Okay, just I will open that one sample program. I will show you. Okay, I will run this one sample Python program. Again, file, new file. Okay, mark equal to 40. Okay, now just use that one. What is the if mark greater than 60 colon print your mark is greater than 60, so that your grade is pass. Okay, now good. Now this is the one thing. Now see that now we need to move back. Sorry, backspace. L if. Now I'm using else if. Open mark less than 60. Okay, less than 60. Now what colon? What we need to write? Print your mark is less than 60, so that your GRA is here. Also I did the mistake, grade spelling mistake. GRA, your grade is fail. Again, just see why it is also is a parenthesis. Now come down. Now it is, now still I am in the else if part. Print do well in the next exam. Just I am typing. Just I am giving that some instructions. Finish it. Now what again? Just now I'm just this here now else if, now I'm just enter into again else part, if part. Okay, yeah, else colon. Now I'm printing the statement print. What we need to do? We can say incomplete. Something student right? Shall we run this program? Just run the program. Before run, what we need to do? We need to save the program. Even though if you forget, system will give the option for to save the. So program 3, right? Now I run this program. See, immediately your mark is less than 60, so that your grade is fail, because our mark, what mark we gave? Mark we gave 40. Now 40 come here greater than 60. There is a condition false. Now automatically it will come here 40 less than 60, condition is true. Now your mark is less than 60, so that your grade is fail. Automatically it will come, and we are giving, so do well in the next. Okay, now this is a, when it will come the incomplete, or this is a question mark, when it will come the incomplete, this is a true condition, this is a false condition. When it will go third else it will work. Shall we do for this one? Just I'm just entering for an example, some wrong value I'm giving. Suppose a, all right, suppose I'm giving that a, see here, and what is a, maybe definitely this will, error will come. See here, error will come. See, error will come, because why? This is a, you remember, this is a string, and now we are comparing with the what? With the integer. Now we need to convert it, for example, int. Okay, now just I'm comparing with the, now this will not come, just I'm entering into the some number. Better we can, why not we'll collect from the our input. So in mark equal to eval input. Okay, enter the mark value, right? Just I'm getting the value, just get the value from that user. Now it's very clear. Now here the system will ask the value. Now just enter the -1, again you will get the answer -60. Shall we do it again, and we'll get the incomplete value? Suppose you entering a value here, what is the error will come, because a is not compared. Now shall we do it exactly? Shall we give the 60? Now, shall we give the, why it is shall I suppose if I am going to give the 60, what will happen? No, you will get the incomplete. Why? Because greater than 60, less than 60, but 60 we are not verified. That's why incomplete is coming. So this is a way we can use our if condition. Okay, so if condition. Now here are some exercises I gave. Question 1, and write a Python program to find the grade of your student, get the input from the user. And the second question, and the third question, and the fourth question, and fifth questions there are. So how to find the odd number, even number, these are questions. I just go to the our exercise program in the Moodle, and you will get the answer for this one. Do the practice. Okay, just read the content and immediately will whatever teacher is teaching, just listening is not enough. Please, my dear students, please do the practice. Once after your practice only you will get the clear, because your exam point of view, sometimes I will ask the question like this, right? Suppose if I ask this question, to find the given number is odd or even, you have to write the code and get the answer. Okay, so this is most important. Please do the practice. Only just seeing that, listening the video and reading the content is not enough. You need to do the practice, then only you will get the, you are clear for your programming. Okay, so we'll close this session. We will continue the next session for function in Python program. Okay, thank you. So anything thing need to discuss, now we will discuss. And you have any doubts, you have any doubts or in your if condition, please post into the your doubt in the forum. I am ready to answer your questions. And apart from this one, do the practice in your computer or mobile phone. Then I gave the exercise program, and even answer also I gave. Just do the exercise program, you are getting correct answers or not. Okay, so that your practice only makes the person is perfect. Okay, do the practice, you will get it. Okay, the next session I am going to talk about the function in Python program, right? So thank you so much. Bye bye.